Hello everyone, Chef Eric here and welcome back to the YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. And today I'll be showing you guys how I make my signature homemade fluffy red velvet cupcakes. That's super easy to make and your 15-year-old can make them. What's your excuse? So I'm going to start by making the cupcake batter. So in a large bowl, you're going to add in some margarine and sugar. You're going to cream this on a medium-high speed with a hand mixer or a stand mixer until it's looking super light and fluffy. Once looking super light and fluffy, as you proceed with the recipe, it's really important that you scrape down the bowls periodically so that the mixture doesn't get stuck in places where it can be fully mixed in, and so that you have like a nice and smooth homogeneous batter. So when you're adding in your eggs, when you're creaming your butter, your margarine and sugar, it's really important that you scrape down the bowl periodically. Once the bowl is nice and scraped down, you're gonna add in your eggs one at a time along with a little bit of vanilla. Give it a really good mix. And you're gonna add in all of our dry ingredients. Here I have some all-purpose flour, and you're gonna sift that through, and next you're gonna add in your baking powder. This recipe calls for baking powder and baking soda, but now you only add in the baking powder. Add in your cocoa powder along with your red food dye. Here I'm using the powdered red food dye, so that's why I'm sifting it in, but if you're using the liquid stuff, just wanna add it directly into the batter. Sift it through, and you're gonna start to gently fold that in. Add in your milk and fold everything until it's fully incorporated. Once fully incorporated, just want to set that aside and we can now make our baking soda concoction. So just gonna mix together some baking soda along with a little bit of vinegar. And for those who do chemistry, you know that's going to cause some sort of reaction, but this is important and it's what makes the red velvet cupcake different from all the other cakes. Give it a quick swirl, and then you want to add it directly into the batter and fold it in as gently as possible. Set aside, and you can now start to spoon the batter into our cupcake cases. Now, here's the thing about adding that baking soda concoction. This means in the event that you do open the oven while they're still baking, if it hasn't reached the correct mark, they will deflate in the center. So I suggest when you're making this cake, you need to let it bake for a minimum of 12 minutes first, and then you can check. So you just want to divide your batter evenly across your cupcake liners, and you just want to use a tablespoon and make sure you divide all the batter across the 12. Bake at 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Nevertheless, remember I told you only check at the 12 minutes mark. In the meantime, we can whip some cream with a little bit of icing sugar and vanilla and add it into our piping bag. Pipe your cooled cupcakes. You can either use a star tip or a small tip or no tip at all, and just get like a beautiful rosette all around. Top with some red velvet crumbs. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's super easy, it's super simple, and if you do end up doing this, please make sure you tag me over on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever platform, and tag me and use a hashtag budding chef Eric to let me know and to show me like how it really turned out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys turn on make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content every single Monday and Thursday.